Add some light to your outdoor security with the Spotlight Cam Pro.
Spotlight Cam Pro? What's so pro about it?
It uses 3D motion detection and bird's eye view for the most advanced motion detection available. See precisely where someone's been and how they got there with an aerial view of your home.
Oh, so you know I came from the
Side yard? Yes.
What now?
Tell them to go away with two-way talk.
Go away. I was going just to... okay.
Builtin Siren never fails.
What else can it do?
You can control your motion alerts, stay close, or cover the entire view.
Can I put it on a schedule?
Yeah, set your own schedules too.
Does it work with other Ring stuff?
Of course. It works with Ring smart lights, doorbells, even Ring alarm, all from the Ring app.
What about Alexa?
Let's find out.
Alexa, show me my Spotlight Cam Pro, please.
Hey, can you see me?
Yes, we can.
I got a question. Can I put it anywhere?
You can plug it in, go solar, or use the rechargeable battery. So, yeah, put it anywhere.
Perfect for the garage.
Okay, Spotlight Cam Pro is pretty pro.
Sure is. The Spotlight Cam Pro from Ring.